Today guys, July 28 dito sa US. So I'm trying to plant some seeds of this strawberry. So try ko magpasibol ng buto ng strawberry. So ayan, first time kong magpapalay nyo. Okay, bunso, itatry kong itanim itong buto ng strawberry. Kasi ito, ano na ito eh, yung mabubulok na. Sabi niya, it's not gonna work. So sabi ko, okay, let's try it. Let's check it out. Okay, ito na yung tinanim nating buto ng strawberry. So, let's wait and see kung sisibol siya. Ayan, dyan natin lagay ha. Okay. Sama natin dito sa mga halaman dito.